Alright kids, welcome back to the shop. What we're going to do today is we're going to make a magnetic back for a dial indicator. We're going to attach these tiny magnets to the back of the, it's going to be a 3D print, so we're going to attach the magnets to the back of it. So the first thing we need to do is tear this apart. I'm just going to put some generic measurements in here and come back later with the correct ones. That's not going to work. I need pockets for the magnets.
Alright, let's get the right dimensions in here. Remember, this circle is the outside edge of the bolt holes. The corner of the square is also the edge of the bolt holes. Next, we have to draw the bolt holes. After adding the countersink and making a few revisions, this is the final product.
Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five attempts. This is the first attempt, and what I ended up doing was I put it on the bed wrong. So this bottom is a bunch of infill. And then this is, I believe, the second attempt. And I wanted these pockets to extrude into the dial indicator, and I did it wrong, so I got this, so that's garbage. Then what I did was I extruded it really thick. I got the pockets that I wanted and the holes, but here, we'll try it again. But as you see, it's really thick, and the screws wouldn't go through it. Alright, so then we did this one, which looks good, and the problem is these holes are too small and the magnets won't fit in it. So that's garbage. So finally, the last one. The magnets fit in this, in the holes nicely. There's a little bit of slop. They protrude out slightly. The heads of the bolt that attach to the dial indicator are recessed. It fits on here. Perfect. Okay. Alright guys, we're at the lathe. As you see, it's working, but look, see how it moved? The magnets aren't strong enough, and it's moving. And I noticed that when I set it down. You know, this one, you can't pull it off. You have to use a lot of force to get that one off. So we're going to go check a couple things, which is just to make sure that the magnets are attached right, that they're not put in backwards. I was given advice from Hey Rich. But even if that's the case, this just has to really magnetize, because you want to be able to adjust the face without holding it. For example, see how I can move the face and the indicator doesn't move? That's what you want to be able to do. All right, let's check these magnets. And the way we're going to do is we're just going to take another magnet. And spoiler alert, I already checked it, but so if you put the magnet on, you see it attaches, sucks right into it, and it sucks right into it. Now this one, I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to sacrifice this. It's going to launch it across the shop. Did you see that? And again, luckily it's a magnet, so I can find it maybe. So this magnet's in wrong, and I still don't think if I change that one magnet that it's going to make a big enough difference.
I'm going to order 16-pound magnets and try it again.
All right, here's the redesigned one. It's looking pretty good. All right, we got that trimmed up. Let's throw it on there. All right, I attached the back. It fit good, which we knew it would. It looks good. So let's head over to the lathe and see how it works. All right, guys. Attaches with some good force. Let's see what happens here. Remember last time it moved? Perfect. It's not moving. All right, we're going to call this one a success. So those 16-pound magnets, they're doing the trick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.